Welcome to Amateur's Adventures. Today's video, we're going to be showing the differences with the Mini 1, 2, and 3. I've seen a few questions pop up online asking the difference between the 2 and the 3. Well, we have the 1, 2, and 3, so we might as well throw the 1 in there and compare that too. We're going to do a short little video over this field here and then go over the town because, well, we'll get a nice low light here, and then the town's got some lighting at night that you'll be able to see because, well, when it gets pitch black, well, they don't have night vision, so you can't see everything anyways. But we figure with this area, we'll have a nice variety of scenery to look at.
And we're going to be flying 3 different times. So we'll fly now in full brightness. We're going to fly at dusk, and then we're going to fly again probably at like midnight when everything is as dark as it can be. And we'll do a side-by-side comparison on the screen so that you can actually see what you're getting and how the camera looks.
Right. Each drone will be in the highest quality setting that you can get it in. So the Mini 3 Pro can do 4K 60. The Mini 2 can do 4K 30. And then the Mini 1, what was it?
2.7.
2.7 30, I think. So I'm sure you'll see a drastic difference with that one, I'm sure.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
But I guess without further ado, we'll cut to that. And
thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Be sure to subscribe.
It's my time, watch me build another life, find another space, explore the world and find my place. Hope you find some peace of mind, hope the night was worth your time. Threw my heart away, we won't see another day. We both know the score, we've been here once before. So many words unspoken, you took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go. It's a new adventure. Let me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me, now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly, let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting